Hey gorgeous Mimi Styles here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a couple of fun unboxings for you by Brandon Blackwood. I've been trying to get my hand on a couple of these bags for like months and months, and every time I go on and I hear there's a drop, everything that I want is already sold out. So I just happened to randomly go on last week and saw a couple of things and was like, oh my God, I can't believe. So I didn't actually get exactly what I wanted, but I got something that I needed and that I'm gonna be very happy with, I know. I actually love, there's a silver bag that he had on there that I really wanted so bad. And then I also wanted a lamb's wool bag, but I never could catch them. So I also want a trunk. I'm gonna maybe order another one. But anyway, so everything came in this box and I just took it out because I don't know how to do an unboxing. I had already sliced these open, but I didn't take them out of the box. So they're still wrapped up and everything, but I did cut these open with the knife before I came on. So I just took that out. And here is the box. Hold on a minute, let me show you. Let me show you. Very pretty box in very beautiful packaging. We love it. We love to see it. White box with crisp black lettering. Brandon Blackwood. I really love it. So my receipts, and let's see what this is. Another envelope. The envelope, please. Okay, let's see. Okay. Wait a minute, ma'am. Wait a minute. That's the second receipt. What is it? Oh, that was the envelope. Okay, wasn't exactly an envelope, that's I thought, but thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that, a little handwritten note. I love it. I love that so much. I tore the envelope. I didn't mean to do that. I guess it probably just slipped out, but I didn't see that. I could have just slipped it out of the side. Okay, on to the bag, and it's in this box, and taking it out. The box is just really beautiful. I'm gonna keep it in the box because it's small enough and I can fit it on my shelf in the box, but it's just super adorable. I'm just really excited. I've been trying to get one for the longest. So it's in the bag, dust bag, and now it's wrapped in tissue paper that also has his name. I love when people just do it right, when the packaging is just all part of the whole process of, you know, I'm with it. I'm so into it. Now, I don't really have much in this color, if anything, but I saw this and I just thought that is the cutest ever. First of all, I love a chain. Always have loved a chain. I love, when I say I stand a chain. So baby, when Bottega came out with the chain, I was all in because I love me a good chain. Now I have a gold sequin bag. And the thing I love about that bag is the sequins are reversible. So when you brush it one way, it's silver. When you brush it one way, it's gold. But it came with the thickest silver chain, huge. And I've had that bag for about 10 years. This is way before, you know, I saw a lot of people doing those big chains like Bottega, but this was a really super thick chain, but it was detachable. And so I wore it as a bracelet for years, or as a necklace. I wore it on my pants, as you know, as a chain on my pants. I just love it. So when I see bags with chains, I'm kind of like, I have to have, because I love. So, and when they're detachable, I love them even more. This bag is so daggone cute. Look how adorable. This is just, okay, did I show y'all properly? Because y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so get a load of this beautiful color. And it is showing up very true. It's a turquoisey blue. It's not really a turquoise. It's like a but it's like, yeah, it's not exactly a light blue. It's a little, maybe cerulean, you want to say, maybe. Gorgeous though, and it's got the feet, which I also really love, although I would never be putting this on the ground for anything. But look how cute, so adorable, so compact, right? You could wear a crossbody because it's totally long enough. Now I'm gonna be out of the frame, but you can see that it comes down nice. That is the cutest ever. I love it. Oh my God, I really love it. It's suede, and I'm not a crossbody girl, so I would probably only ever be wearing this over my shoulder, and it's long enough, you know, like it's not coming past my hips, but down to my waist. But it's so cute. I have on a kind of a mauvey boucle top today, so I actually like the way these two look together. And on the front, it has Brandon Blackwood, New York, embossed in the suede, as you can see right there. And this little square, tiny little thing, you know, just looks like for date night or nights out with the girls, you know, when you just want to have, I'm sure I can fit quite a bit in here though. I have a card holder, an LV card holder, an LV coin purse, and so I could probably fit both of those in here, or one if I just need one. I could probably not. There's my phone right here so we can see. Can't fit my phone, but that's okay, because I normally wouldn't. I don't like to have it in my bag all that much anyway. So I'll fit like a lipstick and a compact, and probably my card holder, a mask, maybe a small bottle of sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Oh my God, I am so enamored. I love, love, love. I'm going to, as a little piece of the tissue paper stuck on the corner, so I'm just getting that off. The sides, the whole bag is suede, but the sides, these corners are leather. And the bag is just beautiful. I mean, it's really gorgeous. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time on this. There's some of the tape out on the sides, but you will easily come off. It's really adorable, y'all. Look at it. It's the cutest. It's just the cutest. And you know, I was looking at it like, you know, you don't really have anything that color. Like, should you really? But then I was like, I really love it though, so I'm just gonna get it. And the thing is, the only reason why I felt like that is because I was waiting so long to get one. Like, you know, 8-9 months, you know, going on. And I just never could get one of the ones that I wanted. So I was just like, I'm gonna just snatch this up because I really like it. And I'll find things to wear that with all summer long. It'll be my little go-to. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that last year I bought a pair of Alexander McQueen pumps. I love those pumps. The first ones I got were in white, and then I got them in black, and then I had a lot of points from Bloomingdale, so I got a third pair in nude because I did have my favorite pumps for a long time were the Louboutins, Socates, and I had them in black and I had them in nude, but I had to sell those. It was just too much on my feet. My feet were just like, listen, no, it's either me, us, or them. So they had to go. So I needed another pair of cute black pumps with a moderate heel, and I needed a nude pump for certain. So, but the white, I didn't really have anything to go with it. I do have a small white bag, but it has a wooden handle, but it's not exactly white. And I wear it with a pair of mules that I have in the summertime, but I wanted white to go with those shoes when I'm stepping out. And I actually did look at a Prada bag, but I went for this one because this one is leather. This is leather, y'all. Look at this. Isn't she cute? Oh my God, I'm in love. I am in love. Yes, honey. I hope that the handle is expandable, but if it's not, it's cute. It'll just be a top handle bag for me. And yeah, I think it'll only ever be a top handle bag for me. I can unfasten this one more. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see it. See see it properly. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. This is the front, and on this one it has Brandon Blackwood in silver, and I wanted specifically silver because those pumps have silver studs on them and the heel is silver. So they're crisp white and silver, white leather, and this is just perfect. So I'm gonna put this on the longest strap, not the shortest, the longest strap. And I wish there was a hoop on here because I would take that silver chain that I was telling y'all about and throw it right on here too. If this was at all like removable, but it's so adorable. Look how cute that is, y'all. Oh my God, it's the cutest. I'm gonna take the stuffing out so you can see inside the bag. And the boxes are just, I didn't even I'm doing the most. I'm supposed to show y'all everything. You know I'm crazy. It was wrapped in the tissue paper the same way. Came with the dust bag. I'm the worst. What kind of unboxing is that where I do it off the receipts and another thank you card. And I need to put my camera lower so you can see everything I'm doing. Anyway, so yeah, that came wrapped in the paper too. I love the boxes. I'm gonna keep the boxes because they're small enough to fit on my shelving where I keep my bags in my closet without taking up too much space. Now, I'm not gonna style this for you today, but I will style it very soon. But I just want to take this out so you can see. So it comes with the tag inside the bag. And that's so cute. Look how fly that is, y'all. It's an accordion. You fold it out and it tells you how to care for the bag. But on the back side, it says Brandon. But I don't want to pop it. Let me see if I can get it off by taking this off. I think I can. No, I can't. Okay. Oh, I have to pop it. I don't want to pop it. It's cute. I guess I got to. All right, I'm going to pop it so y'all can see it. Oh. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So the care of the bag, and then I care of Brandon Blackwood. This packaging is just together. I am feeling it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it all. I love it. So yeah, this, I should go and grab the shoe so I can show it to y'all. You know what I'll do? I'll post a picture on the side over here so you guys can see it. This is gonna be super cute together, and I love, you know, it's just this is the style of bag that everyone is loving right now. And I know that, you know, big bags are gonna be like huge next year, but, or even by the end of this year, but and I never really have been a small bag girl, so that blue bag is like a stretch for me, but I really do see myself wearing that. I like, you know, on vacation with hubby, you know, and I don't want to carry a lot. And in those instances, I do like a small bag and not a huge bag. But this one is bigger. I even think this is probably maybe a little bigger than the Prada bag. And as you can see, it's pretty wide on the side. So I would be able to get a lot in here. I don't have anything over here with me right now, but I can for sure get my phone in here. And there's loads of room in there. So that's totally cool. I can probably put a little, like a small makeup pouch, the smallest, and my card holder and my phone, and, you know, a small sanitizer and a mask, maybe an eyeglass case. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this, and the prices were great. I mean, and they're just made beautifully. These are made just as beautiful to me as any kind of super high-end. I mean, well, this is super high-end to me, but I mean, brands that, you know, you're going to like big box stores to buy. I would totally put this up there with the Prada bag. I see no difference at all. Fabulous. But this blue bag, and you know, this is more like, I love this. Absolutely, I love it. And I like a crisp white shoe, you know what I mean? And so I just feel like, unless you were doing a bold bag, a crisp white bag with it is just on point. But that was more utility for me because I wanted to have it to go with my shoes. Whereas this is just all kinds of fun. I'm in love. I am absolutely, positively in love with this bag. How cute. I'm going back in though. I'm going back for my silver bag. I'm gonna try, or maybe a gold one. Yeah, I'm about it because I'm in. You got me. You got a fan. Got a fan in me. Anyway, that's it for this very quick unboxing. Thank you for stopping by my channel once again. And if you're not already, please give me a follow on TikTok. On TikTok and Instagram. TikTok, wow, I'm showing my age right now. Give me a follow on TikTok and on Instagram. Please hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting new videos. I love that you guys are spending time with me. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Mimi Styles. Please be good to yourselves and be good to everyone else. Love you guys. Bye-bye.